Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special kulfi, 6 different varieties. Kulfi is one of the easiest recipe, just need little care. Take 1 liter of milk and start to boil. When milk warms up, add 100 grams of sugar. Now you have two options. If you keep gas in high flame, stir continuously. If you keep gas in low to medium flame, you can stir occasionally. Almost 60% of milk evaporates. Now switch off the stove and let it cool down. Our kulfi base is ready. If you want little bit thicker consistency, boil some more time. But the best kulfi consistency is this, when 60% evaporates. Until our kulfi base cools down, we will prepare our dry fruits. Here I am taking dry figs, pistachio, almonds, chocolate, dry coconut and fresh mango pieces. I want to show you 6 different varieties. You can prepare any one of them. I am cutting them into small pieces. While eating, these pieces makes you feel good in the mouth. You can make them into powder as well. You can mix any nuts and fruit pulp in the kulfi, but the ratio is 50% kulfi base and 50% nuts or pulp. The toppings should not be more than 50% or more than kulfi quantity. After cutting all the dry fruits and mango, add same portion of liquid kulfi and mix well. Now take ice cream molds or kulfi molds. Place the butter paper as I am showing. You can use small paper teacups as well. Butter paper makes kulfi come easily after frozen. If you don't keep butter paper, you need to wait for a while after removing from the freezer. In this time kulfi will melt. So best option is butter paper. Now fill the mixture in the molds. Keep the caps and freeze it for 4 hours as minimum. Better if you will leave for overnight. This kulfi tastes delicious. Look at the texture, it's awesome. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.